Hi everyone, and welcome to What's New in Solid Edge 2021. I'm Dan Staples, Vice President, Solid Edge R&D, part of Siemens Digital Industries Software. At Siemens Digital Industries Software, we're all about helping you harness the power of digital transformation to develop better products faster and more efficiently. We bring the technologies of tomorrow to our customers today. And Solid Edge 2021 is the perfect example of that. Solid Edge 2021 from Siemens provides you the speed you need to get the most out of your entire engineering process, maximizing your productivity and decreasing your costs. Mechanical design. Design at the speed of creative thought with new subdivision modeling, lightning fast reverse engineering, a new user interface that's powered by artificial intelligence and an intelligent 3D model search engine. Electrical design. Enable fast, accurate 2D layout of industrial control panels with new cabinet design capabilities. Simulation. Optimize and validate designs with tighter integration between flow and structural simulation. Manufacturing. Speed up NC programming with a searchable post-processor database, new fast roughing, and adaptive milling. Technical publications. Produce high-quality documents and illustrations faster and directly from your 3D models. Data management. Take control of your data, saving time and money with rapid concept modeling and shape search capabilities. Cloud-based collaboration. Harness the cloud to edit and share CAD files and much more. And there's so much more. Our beta customers are calling this the best Solid Edge release in years. We can't wait to share all of the details with you, so get ready to experience Solid Edge 2021.